Pakistan's long-standing efforts to acquire Turkish T129 Attak helicopters may still have a chance or may end soon. An unnamed Pakistani Army general speaking to Defense IQ at the virtual conference of the International Military Helicopter 2021, February 24, said we were still very interested and still under consideration regarding the T129 Attak and tactical reconnaissance helicopter manufactured by TAI. Pakistan ordered 30 T129 Ataks worth $1.5 billion in 2018, but sales failed due to export sanctions on the US-made LH Tec T800 engine that powers the helicopter. The contract has been slightly delayed due to some third-party approval, but Pakistan hopes to break through political barriers to getting approval from this third party, and we are still looking forward to finalizing the agreement with the Turkish government, the military official said. Pakistan plans to replace 48 of the old Bell AH-1F fleet with a new platform. Pakistan had previously struck a deal to buy 12 Bell AH-1Z as part of the U.S. foreign military sales process, but this agreement was also suspended due to U.S. political issues. At the same conference last year, it was said that Pakistan would consider a Chinese alternative if the T129 order could not be completed. Turkey is well on its way to becoming design and manufacturing center for all kinds of engines, especially in aviation, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said as the country moved closer to mass-producing local turboshaft helicopter engines. Engineers at Turkey Aerospace Industries engine manufacturing subsidiary TUSAS Engine Industries have developed a T129 turboshaft engine designed for the Gökbe multi-role helicopter. The T625 prototype earlier used a pair of LH Tec CTS-804A turboshaft engines that have 1,373 shaft horsepower each, created jointly by Rolls-Royce and Honeywell. Several tests of the TAI engine, which produces 1,660 horsepower, were done during the ceremony. The project was launched in 2017. The TS-1400 is also expected to be used on T129 Attak, as well as its derivatives developed by TAI. TAI's turboshaft engine development project looks to decrease dependence on foreign sources while enabling domestic production of engine systems, which constitute one of the most important components of these projects, and increasing the percentage of indigenous production in these projects. Currently about 60 T129 assault helicopter and tactical reconnaissance have been delivered to the Army Command, General Gendarmerie Command and Directorate General of Security. The Attak helicopter has superior performance parameters and can carry up to 8 LMDAS anti-tank guided missiles, 16 Sirat missiles, 4 Stinger air missiles, 76 70mm unguided rocket and 500 rounds of 20mm cannon. Additionally, the Attak helicopters stand out with their superior avionics and countermeasures systems.